Ann, Carol, and Judy paid a total of $45 for their dinner. Ann paid 2/5 of the total. So Ann paid 2/5 of the total, which is 45, and 5 are going to 45. 9 times 2 is 18. Carol paid 17. Carol paid 17. Judy paid the rest. Okay, so 18 plus 17, that's 15, that's 35, and the total bill was 45. So that means Judy paid $10. Okay, what fraction of the total amount did Judy pay? So we're trying to find Judy over total, and that would be 10 over 45, and reduce that. 5 are going to 10 2 times, 5 are going to 45 9 times, so 2/9.